I'm just multiplying the 1 with the x and y complement with a 1. So by the boolean postulates we know that 1 is nothing but a x plus x complement. Just go to the boolean postulates concept and look at that one. 1 is nothing but a x and x complement, x plus x complement, and y plus y complement. Both is nothing but a 1. So replace this 1 where here missing a y, replace with a y plus y complement. Here missing a x, replace with a x plus x complement. Okay now just simplify this one, multiply the x with these two, we will get a x into y plus x into y complement. Here just multiply this y complement with these two, x into y complement, x complement into y complement. Here in the second term what happens, see, when you multiply y complement with the x plus x complement, it will be like, you can just observe the difference here, it will be like x y complement into x and also y complement into x complement, like this it will be. And using the commutative laws, we can write y complement into x as a x into y complement using the commutative laws. Just you can observe through the commutative laws that I have given you the boolean postulates. That least you have to remember always those things, those postulates we have to remember using the commutative laws. I have converted these two terms into like this. Okay na, just practice these things. And finally expand the expression, remove all the duplicates. What is the duplicates here? X into y, only one thing is there, x into y complement plus x into y complement. Here we have known and aware of that x plus x gives you again x. Just treat these two, xy complement plus xy complement, this is nothing but a x plus x and gives you the x again. This is nothing but a, remove all duplicates, finally you will get a x complement y complement. This is nothing but a mean term expression converted, that a given expression is converted into the mean terms form. This is a conversion. And then here I am just giving you the one of the example, just solve it and send me through the WhatsApp. X into y plus x complement into y into z complement. Just do it and send me through the WhatsApp. Everyone have to solve. If you are having any doubts, in the sense you can ask. If you are trying, in the sense you can come to know whether it is understanding or not. If without trying you can't just get it, these problems, and these are a very important one for the final examinations. Next, it is a shortened mean term notation, where here in the above problem we have converted the given expression into the mean terms. It seems to be somewhat lengthy to write. By seeing this one, this is somewhat lengthy to write. Okay na, so we are making this one the short though, so that term short is called as a shortened mean term notation. How to write this lengthy line into the short form, shortened mean term notation. Here we have that table where different mean terms for a three variable system. Most probably we are in 100%, 99% we are using the three variable system, three literal system or a three literals expression. So in general I have given you the table that related to the three literals system, that is one, x, y and z. This is a mean terms, representative of the mean terms, where 0 is represented as a x complement, 0 as represented as a y complement, 0 as represented as a z complement, and this is a shortened form. This small m represent you the mean term, small m represent you the mean term, and this 0 is nothing but, just remember, this 0 0 0, where x complement, y complement, z complement is nothing but a 0 0 0, and if you convert this binary number into the decimal, that is 0. Are you remembering this one? Making the powers first, 0, making the powers first. Are you remembering this one? 0 1 and a 2, and then multiply with the 0 into 2 to the power of, like that, 2 to the power of, are you remembering this one? 2 to the power of 2, that is 0 into anything is a 0, so finally you will get the 0, like that. Conversion of a binary to decimal, this is the one thing. So here subscript, we used to say this as a subscript, 0 as a subscript, m represents the mean term, 0 represents the subscript, okay na. This is the first mean term. 0 0 1, when you convert into the decimal, it will be 1, so subscript will be 1, mean term representation will be x complement, y complement, z, like that. 0 1 0 will gives you the decimal number 2, so m2, like that, m3 m4 m5 m6 and m7, up to like this. So all the mean terms expression where literals will be represented by the complement when it is 0, non-complement when it is 1. This is the about table, easiest way to represent it as a shortened mean term notation, okay na, for 3 variable literals, 3 variable system. This is all thing about a mean term. And just take any system or a equation that consisted of 3 variables or 3 literals, and convert it to the shortened form and send me through the WhatsApp. These 2 are the homework for today, and just complete it soon, send me soon. Next section or next video, I am going to explain you the max terms. First, if everyone understand these max mean terms, in the sense I will go to the max terms. Without understanding these mean terms, you can't understand the max terms. This is the easiest one. Try several times, then you will come to know about these topics. If you are not trying in the home and not practicing, in the sense you can't remember these all things. Without seeing only, you can't understand this one. We have to practice, and then you can easily understand, okay na. Just send me the homework as soon as possible. Bye.